Hey there, superstar. Let's have some fun practicing English together. Ready? Follow my lead and don't forget to speak up loud and clear. First, let's start with some words. After I say each one, you say it back like a pro. Ready? Go. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Now let's chat with Everly and Leon.
Hello, Everly.
Hello, Leon.
Good morning, Everly.
Good morning, Leon.
Good afternoon, Everly.
Good afternoon, Leon.
Good evening, Everly.
Good evening, Leon.
Good night, Everly.
Good night, Leon.
Wow, you're on fire. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a conversation master. Don't forget to come back for more fun.